In the Map View panel, I can adjust settings that control the display of the map view in FieldGenius. I've opened this panel from the bottom right corner. I can turn these toggles on or off to display point names, figures, or the scale bar. Below that, I can control what type of information is streamed over my wireless connection. I can view road maps, I can view satellite imagery, I can view topography, or if you want to save on data, just ask for none. You can also adjust the opacity of these screens, but be careful that you don't have opacity off because it may still use your wireless data in this case. Down the bottom we have the Auto Center button. If I pick on it once, then it automatically moves my current position, as shown by the GPS, to the center of the screen. I can pan away from it later on and it won't update. But if I want to make it so that it constantly follows my current position, I can turn that toggle back on. And now as I move around on the screen, we'll see that FieldGenius automatically pans to continue to show me in my current position. I can also control my visibility using standard Android gestures. Let me turn that feature off. I can use a single finger to pan in any direction, or I can use a pair of fingers and I can use the pinch to zoom method, so I can zoom inwards or outwards, and the zoom will always be towards the center between my two fingers. Thanks for learning about visibility in FieldGenius.